was there anybody else who was pushing you to make the decisions, either by the minister or some other people? Was there any individuals who were forcing you to make some of these decisions outside the board sanctions?
I would say yes. There were requests from the PS.
Okay.
There was requests from the cabinet.
Which PS?
Which PS, and be specific? Which PS?
Susan Mochache.
Yes, yes.
There were requests from the cabinet secretary, Honorable Mutahi Kagwe.
Yes.
There was an engineer. There was a brigadier, somebody I can't remember his name, who was heading that section.
Okay.
I remember at one stage they came direct to KEMSA.
Yes.
And we were told we need to respond to that aspect. And if we are not able to, to respond in that warehouse, they'll come and take it over.
So the PS of PS Mochache, Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe, and the Brigadier somebody, those are the people you are taking instructions from? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sure,
thank you.